What's good, everybody? This is Jay, and welcome to another product review, shoe review. This is going to be one of my favorites, Jordan 4 Tour Yellow. Now, I love the Jordan 4s. It was the very first pair of Jordans I ever got when I was young, and this Tour Yellow Jordan 4 colorway really pops. The color is very fresh, very noticeable, very rare, and they're very expensive. The last Tour Yellows now are up to maybe $600 or more for a pair, and they just re-released them. And so I had to cop me a pair before the price got up to that point, because I'm not gonna pay $500-600. So I was able to get a pair before it got too out of hand on the price. I did cop them from eBay, and I was able to get them from eBay with a sneaker authentication app. And so here it is. Let's go ahead and bust them open and unbox them and give it a detailed review. The one thing about the eBay service is that they have authenticity guaranteed. So if it comes back that these are not authentic, you definitely can get your money back. So you have nothing to lose. So let's check it on out. One of the things to say, eBay authenticity guaranteed. Meet your soulmates. They also got a couple promotions. If you're looking to sell your shoes instead of selling on StockX or others, you can sell right now for free on eBay. And, you know, for U.S. sellers, if long as your shoes are over $100, you can sell for free. I don't know how well this is going to come up on the green screen, but it's saying that as long as your shoes are over $100, that you get to sell your shoes for free without any fees. StockX is 8 to 10%. Based on what level of the seller you are, plus 3% payment processing fee. GOAT is $5 plus 9.5% to 25% based on your seller standing, plus a 2.9% cash out fee. So it can be pretty expensive to sell your shoes on these other apps. And also it comes with this NFC enabled device that you can scan with your phone to verify that it is authentic. So, first of all, this box is really nice. Comes with the yellow flight, okay, to match the Tour Yellow color. And the official name is the Jordan 4 Retro Tour Yellow Dark Blue Gray. And, you know, comes with the eBay NFC enabled device to verify the authenticity. You can see right here that these are not plastic, but actually suede. The whole shoe is a nubuck leather suede material. Very smooth, very luxurious. The yellow really pops. I don't know how well it's going to come off on the screen, but the yellow with the black and the gray accents really shine. Anywhere you wear these shoes, it's definitely going to get attention. It's got the Jordan Jumpman symbol, and it's been inlaid in plastic, gray plastic, with the yellow suede all around the shoe, covering it. It's got the Air Jordan in yellow, and in the interior, the white and gray. These definitely will be worth another $500 or $600 as long as you take care of them, especially since this bright yellow, I'm sure, would be hard to maintain if you wear them all the time, especially if you know, crease them up, spill things on them, whatever the case. These are definitely some of the best 4s and best Jordans that have came out. And I do have the other pair that came out this year, the powder blues. I did do a review for those. Those are just as good as these, but this yellow really pops, really comes off the screen, really in person, really is shining. And anywhere you wear these, they will definitely be attention grabbers. So with that being said, if you do cop these, I'm going to put the link in the description box below in case you want to grab a pair. You will be lucky to get a pair of these at a good price, and it definitely will be worth it. You won't be unsatisfied. Trust me on that. Anybody that I've shown these to and seen these, they definitely say, whoa. So that's my review for the Tour Yellow 4s. Cop them, check them out. I'm going to put the link in the description box below. Maybe you'll be lucky enough to get a pair of your own. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace, and I'm out.